What's up guys, my name is Lucky and I welcome you guys back again to this tutorial session guys. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can use your wired mouse on your phone and your wired keyboard on your mobile phone. Now if you're fast that prefer using external keyboard just like the one that I have here to type, so if you type fast using this keyboard, then this video is going to be a better option for you because you can use this keyboard on your smartphone. After this review, you can consider this option. Alright, so let's now get into the video. Alright guys, so if you enjoy watching today's video guys, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section and subscribe if today is your very first time of coming across our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our future tech support video. Alright, so with that being said, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.